Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to see all call history on iPhone. To start the process, open Phone on your iPhone. Then tap on Recent. Scroll down to the bottom and check your call history. After that, tap on Safari browser. Then search here at Call History. You can also check these websites to access and download your call history. Then tap on Access Digital Home Phone Call History. To see your call history, you need to follow these instructions. Now tap on Phone Features. Enter your user ID. In case you forget your user ID, you can check the given options below. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.